In this video, we'll show you how to do treble crochet. We're using Serdar Stories, but you'll use the yarn and the hook in your pattern. So let's start crocheting. So we want to take our yarn. We're starting with a stitch on our hook, and the treble stitch is a longer stitch, so it's got more sections to it. We're going to start off by yarning over our hook. We're going to put our hook through the stitch, so under the whole stitch. Then we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through to the front, giving us 3 loops on our hook. We're now going to work these in 2 sections. So we're going to yarn over our hook, rotate that hook down to help us pull through easily, and we're going to pull through just the first 2 loops on our hook, leaving us with 2 loops, which we're going to work again. So we're going to yarn over our hook, rotate our hook down to do the work for us, and pull through in a smooth motion. And that's a treble. So we're going to go yarn over our hook, into the stitch. From the back, we're going to hook the yarn, pull it through to the right side, where we've got 3 loops on our hook. We're going to now work our 2 sections. So we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. I'll go through that one more time. So we're going to yarn over our hook, into the stitch, from the front to the back. The back we're going to yarn over, grab our yarn, pull it through to the front. So we've got 3 loops, yarn over our hook, pull through 2, yarn over our hook, pull through 2. And that's the treble crochet stitch. Practice until you're confident and then head to serdar.com for more stitches, beginner kits, patterns and yarn.